So this is how you can kick someone off your Roblox account. Let's say someone has your account, someone else has your account. Maybe you gave it to them, or maybe you've been hacked. So I'm right here on my account. It's a bit laggy right now, I don't really know why, but let's move on to the tutorial. So tap on more at the bottom right. By the way, you can do this on your PC if you follow the right steps. Now tap on settings and then tap on security. This is basically what keeps your account secure. Your 2FA or authenticator app is located here. Now, how do we kick other people off of this account? Well, if you scroll down, you will see this place where you logged in. So, this is basically all of the accounts and devices that have been logged in using this account. So, let's say someone from France has your account. It's going to say France under here, and you can log that out by simply tapping on that arrow and then logging it out. There should be a logout button. As you can see, it only says this session because that means I am currently using the Roblox account on this phone I'm on right now. So if you tap on log out of all other sessions, so let's say you're logged into 5 different devices and this one is the one you're using. If you tap on log out of all other devices, you're going to be logged out of the other 4, but you won't be logged out on this one that you're currently using. So yeah, that is how you can kick someone off of your Roblox account. If they're logged into your account, they should appear right here. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.